Welcome back. So what I have now done is I have now added a select box wherein you can select any language of your choice and type the question. So let's actually copy paste the question here. So here we get our Python code, and similarly let me pick some other language. Let's basically say I think most here would know Java and C++. So let me actually do that. And while this generates, I'll also show you the code, the changes we did. So we got the solution in Java, and similarly it should work in C++ too. And yeah, so this option needs to be updated to here. So instead of generating this one, where do we have the text? Yeah, instead of generate Python code, this should be updated to language option. Okay, so let me actually do that. Give me a minute. Let me update this to make this language option. So it is gonna select whatever the language option it is, and we will see that. Just 1 minute. And after this, yeah, so basically we have added this select box here, and wherever we had Python in our model, we have replaced with model option, and we have also checking for language option, and we are passing that to the function here so that it can be replaced within the model dynamically. So that's what we have done here. So let's actually go and see this. Yeah, so here we got a C++ solution. So let's refresh this. Okay, so there is an error here. 1 minute. So this has to be str of language option. Just a minute. So this should fix it. Yeah, never mind. So I think we don't need this one here. So let me basically say fetch code, and it should work here. So let me go into here, and yeah, this should work seamlessly. So there is no issue here. And you can copy paste any questions. It should be working fine. And that's what we have done now. So we have productized it. And the only thing to roll this out as a product is if we can have uh, some authentication for this, then you can also maintain sessions. We'll be looking at it later in this series. And thank you for